Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to make someone admin on Telegram group. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Choose a group that you want to add admin. Tap on the name of your group. Now tap and hold the name of the user you want to make an admin. A screen will pop up, and tap on Promote to Admin from the pop-up menu. Then tap on the tick mark icon from the top right corner of your screen. And you will add admin to your group. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to make someone admin on the Telegram group. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.